This is Christopher with ExpertVillage.com. I'm getting water now. I'm using hot water just because it works better on cleaning glass. If you don't have hot water, it doesn't matter. Any water works. I'm getting this out of my kitchen sink. I have a big bucket here. One of these things is really handy. I love to use when these are around. You can use this to fill up. And also, the best place to get water if you're doing somebody's house is to go into somebody's bathtub and grab water out of there that you can fill up a lot faster. If you're getting water outside, oftentimes you go to a commercial. If you're doing this professionally, you'll find yourself in a commercial area and you see a water tap but no way to turn on the water. You're going to need a water key. I wish I had one to demonstrate that, but one thing to invest in if you're going to become a professional window washer is to get a water key so that you always have a tool to turn on the various water sources.